Hey guys, what's going on? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, I'm working on a 13 Ford Fusion. Customer's complaint, oil leaks. They started off at the dealership. The dealership told them they needed a $3,500 engine. They brought it to me for a second opinion. So in this video, we're gonna see if it really needs an engine or can we just fix those oil leaks. All right guys, let me tell you a little bit what's going on. When I pulled the car in and raised the hood, it was loaded with oil all on the whole top side. I couldn't even see what was leaking or where it was coming from. So I took it out and I washed it up and I got all of it cleaned off. Then I went ahead and started it. Let me show you what I found. The VVT solenoid right here is leaking really bad. Let me start the engine up and I'll show you what I'm talking about. If you look right down inside there, you can see the oil running out from underneath the solenoid. All right guys, as you can see, that VVT solenoid was definitely leaking. That is the intake side. They do make one for the exhaust side. There is a difference between the two, so make sure you get the correct one when you order it. And the way to tell the difference is, the intake side is going to be on the side with the intake. The other solenoid is on the side with the exhaust manifold. And that's how you tell the difference when they ask you. I'm gonna go ahead and get this part ordered. When it gets here, I'll show you how easy it is to put it on. Then we're going to clean the engine off again and run it and make sure there's no other oil leaks. Hopefully she don't need a $3,500 engine. Hopefully it's just a $150 repair. All right, the parts just came in. This is what the solenoid looks like. We had to get it from Ford. I didn't find any aftermarkets available, and that is the part number. It's pretty simple to put on. You're going to get your V-tool and remove the clip right here so you can tuck the wiring harness out of the way, just like that. Gonna take 8mm. It was dumping out. Right through there. So it's going in the hole right here, coming out right there. Take just a tad of grease and just put it on the end a little bit right here. It'll help when you're sliding it in. Gonna be a bear, be a grizzly, right? There we go. Line it up. Put the screw back in. Just tighten her up. Almost done. Clip the harness back on. Let's start it up and see how it does. Looking good, no leaks at all. I'm gonna take it for our test drive. I'm gonna get the RPMs up a little bit and make sure it doesn't leak. While I was on my test drive, I got up to about 55 miles an hour. I got on it pretty hard to see if I could get that oil circulating really good up to the head. I pulled over to check it out, and there is definitely no more leaks. All right guys, this customer ought to be happy about this. Remember the original cost of repairs? Somewhere around $3,000. We only had to spend $200. That's a massive savings. All right guys, that is it for this video. Appreciate you watching. Catch you later.